everyone, it's Tita from Emerson Nails and Nail Perfect. Today I will be showing you how I take my photos using the Samsung S7 using the Pro settings. For my lighting I use an LED daylight lamp, and I'm going to quickly take a photo in auto and then switch over to the Pro settings. You may also notice the difference in quality as soon as I switch over to Pro, because I do have this adjusted to my liking. What I like to do first is make sure it's in focus. So click the AF or the MF on the top right side, use the little bar to slide up and down and switch between auto and manual focus. I like to make sure that the top hand is in focus. So you'll notice it zooms in just so you can get it perfect. So once I'm happy with that, I take a quick photo just to snapshot that, and then I move on to aperture. So you see the little symbol that's highlighted there. If I slide that all the way up then all the way down, you can see the difference in lighting. So I usually set it around either 8,000, 6,000 or 4,000 depending on the style, depending on the lighting. With my lighting today, I'm going to keep it on about 4,000. And then I move over to tone, which is kind of like their own little inbuilt filters. You can see there's a few presets that I did scroll through, but I like to tweak my own. So I'm just kind of moving the color and the tint up and down just to see what's right for this particular photo. Sometimes if the polish or the design is darker or lighter, I need to adjust, the shadows or the highlights to make it pop. That way, once you take a photo, you don't need to run it through Instagram filters. You take the photo perfect every single time. So this is what the final images look like under the different settings. You may need to adjust your Pro settings to match the lighting in your room, but good luck. Let me know if you have any questions, and thank you so much for watching.